welcome to MedSource. Thanks for coming. Come on in. Come on in. Well, at MedSource here, we've had a lot of changes happen this last year or so, and COVID has been a big part of it. We're a mask-only kind of operation right now. We're following a lot of protocol on that. But for purposes of this tour, I'm going to take my mask off right now and other times, so you guys can hear me a little bit better. So again, thanks for coming. We moved in this building a couple of months ago. It's been a big production for us, and it's been in the works for a long time. We're very excited. We want to show you what we're doing here, and it's a great time to be at MedSource. So we're going to move over here first, and we're going to move into the training room. This is a big part of what we do here. MedSource is a product development company, and as we develop these products, we really need to go ahead and educate and ourselves and our users. And so right now there's a class going on here, so I shouldn't talk too loud. But here we go. Jason Rings, how's it going over there?
Hey, how are you?
Okay, looks like they're talking about some IV therapy products, which is very cool. So keep it up, guys. Thanks for being here. Have fun. Okay, let's move on here. So come on into the boardroom over here. So when we first started, we didn't have a boardroom. We barely had a room, and this is really quite the place. We're excited about it. It really shows some professionalism that we really like to put out in the marketplace, but more importantly, it shows a place of where we bring some great ideas to life. I think Laura's over here on a meeting. Hi, Laura.
Hi.
So over here, this is really where the heart and soul of MedSource happens. This is product development, and product development means that we take an idea from inception or from its beginning roots, and we really pull it together and take it and add innovation to it, and we really do a lot of work behind the scenes here. So come on into product development real quick. And here's where we really just, we create solutions, and we help our customers and we help our patients. So ProDev, how's it going, guys?
Hi.
Say hi. All right, just having a little tour right now, just checking you out. Looks like you guys are working on some sheets there. That's good. So we do all kinds of products here at MedSource, anything from a Class 1 device all the way up to a Class 2 life-saving device. And this is really where the great work happens. So thanks, ProDev, for your time and effort. So let's move on, okay? All right, so that was product development. Let's move on to the quality department. So if product development is our heart and soul, quality is the backbone of what we do. To make life-saving devices, medical devices, quality has to be number one. And our department here has really expanded over the years, and we're doing great things here. So come on in real quick. And again, during COVID times, we don't have a lot of people in each of our departments. Normally this is full of people with a lot of busy action. Hey Ron, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good, good. So quality is really the backbone, and we really pride ourselves with our great system that we have, our ISO 13485 ratings, our 510Ks that we write out of this department. So a lot of really important things happen to this department. So thanks for your work, guys. Keep it up. All right, let's move on. All right, so that was quality. So let's move on to our next department, which is customer service and customer care. So this department is normally very busy, but again, due to COVID, it's a little subdued. But usually there's a lot of action, a lot of excitement going on here. We're very interactive with our customers. We want to reach out to them, and we want to hear from them. It's an exciting department, and come on in, we'll just take a quick look at it. So customer service has some really nice style, very beautiful, but more importantly, we really meet our customers here and take care of their needs. How's it going, ladies?
Hi. Hi.
All right, so customer service, exciting place to be. This is really where we make the difference with our customers and with our patients. So exciting place to be. Thanks, customer service team. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so as we move forward this way, we're gonna meet some of our people who are kind of the creative thinkers at MedSource, some of the big doers and that sort of thing. And over here, we've got our head of quality. He's our VP of quality. This is Jim Ball. Jim Ball recently joined MedSource. He comes with a lot of pedigree and resume. It's really, we're really excited to have him here. We're really fortunate. It's really a new level for us. I won't bother him because it looks like he's on a conference call, but that's Jim Ball, head of our quality VP. So moving along here, we've got our head of sales. He's our VP of sales. This is Mike Wenshau. Mike Wenshau is actually an EMT and a chief of fire, so he really lives the part, not only selling medical devices and getting them out in the world, he really actually uses them and helps people on a day-to-day basis. So his credentials really mean a lot to us, and we're excited that Mike is on our team. So he too looks like he's on a call, so we'll just kind of move on to the next office here. Moving along here, we have our Chief Operating Officer, Jim Noble. Jim's been with our company for over a decade, and he really runs the show in a lot of ways. The day-to-day stuff all happens here at Jim's office, so thanks for being here, Jim. All right, let's move on. And over here we have our president. This is Dave Kunelius. Dave's been with MedSource a long time and doing some great things. Dave, why don't you say hi to the camera?
Hello, welcome to the MedSource Labs office.
Yeah, usually I do the fun and exciting stuff and he does all the work. So I'm super glad that Dave's here, and Dave is our president, and we just love what he's doing for our company and for our customers. Okay, so we're moving on to our collaborative space, and really this is kind of a new innovative way of working in the workplace that we've seen. We brought it into MedSource thinking that we could really get a lot of good conversation, a lot of collaborative ideas, and so far it's been really great. A lot of people get together here, a lot of impromptu ideas and discussions happen here. We're going to move on to the next department here, and this is a personal favorite of mine. When we started MedSource, we really were focused on selling and getting the products out in the market. I was originally a sales rep in the medical device industry, and so a lot of people say what came first, the chicken or the egg? And I like to say the chicken, and I think of our sales department as the chicken here. So let's go see all the chickens here in the sales department. So here we are in the sales department. Usually, again, it's a shaking and happening kind of place. The phones are usually ringing. We service all of our distributors and their representatives here, and also internationally as well. But this is really where a lot of the action happens with our customers in the marketplace. So sales, how you guys doing?
How you doing? Glad you're here.
All right, Jason, good to see you.
Good to be seen. Thank you.
All right, keep it up and keep on selling. So we're going to move on to the next department here. So okay, all right. Actually, we're going to stop here by David Wargin's office. David is our chief of staff, and he's the head of our marketing department. So MedSource has really come a long way in advertising itself and getting its products known out in the marketplace, and David has been instrumental in that. So David, how's it going today?
Oh, good. How are you? Welcome to our open house today.
All right, all right. Thanks for coming, and keep wearing that mask. So we all got to do that. So moving along, we've got the rest of the marketing team. They're housed over here. Really great, innovative ideas of how to talk about our products in the marketplace happens here. It's a really nice space. Why don't you take a look over there? And they're not here. Most of them aren't here because most of them are behind the camera. Why don't you just flash on yourself, guys? Say hi.
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 Okay, so moving along here, this is our supply chain and logistics, and over here we have Annette Paulson. Annette's been with us since the beginning. And over here is Annette's team. Again, a lot of people are not here due to COVID, but they're all working remotely and doing a lot of things, so there's a lot more people and a lot more activity. We just can't see it, so it's pretty typical for what's happening out there during the COVID times. So moving along here, we have Kelly Milbray. She's head of our accounting department. Kelly's out right now doing some accounting. I think she's actually on a break, but very important department for all businesses. And over here we have our head of HR. This is Laura Reagan. Hi Laura, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. So Laura's team is hard at work keeping everybody together during this very unique time that we are living in. So let's move on to the next part of the building here. This is our export department, MedSource USA we call it, and come on in. Hey Doug, how's it going? Good. So over here, this is where we put our products together for the export outside of the U.S. markets. We've got a really very robust team here, and we do a lot of exciting things getting U.S. products out to the different marketplaces. Over here, we've got Elias Haddad. Elias, how's it going today, sir? Hi. Come on out. Come on and say hi. So Elias is the head of our export team, and he and I have been working on this business now for about a decade, and we've really done a lot getting the word out for MedSource internationally. So Elias, keep up the good work.
I'm trying.
All right, you're doing it.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, so that's export department, but come on back and we'll talk to the kitting team. Bye, guys. Thanks for doing a great job. So at MedSource, we do a lot of kitting, and that means we're putting things together in either kits or some kind of form, or repackaging our products to fit the U.S. market. And this department is the heart and soul of that. During COVID, we've done a lot of things here. We've had a lot of very busy activity trying to meet the need to help with the pandemic. And so this group has been excellent. Today, we have a little bit of a smaller crew than normal. Looks like we're doing some kits and some backpacks. Very interesting product. But our kitting team and our repackaging team is super integral to what we do. So let's take a look and say hi real quick and walk on by. How's it going, everybody? Good morning. All right, so that team really has been making a big difference in a very important time for our country. So we're very proud of our team here. Shipping and receiving is very key to what we do. We're a just-in-time delivery system We do a lot of things. This is one of 3 warehouse locations that we have in the U.S., but this is really where the mastermind and everything happens over here. We've got our receiving department. Foca, how's it going this morning? All right, good to see you. Carlos, how are you, sir? All right, we're doing great here. So if you take a look, we've got a lot of room, we've got a lot of products, and it's a bustling place back here. If you want to see what's happening out in the marketplace, come back here and you can learn a lot about MedSource and learn a lot about our products that serve the marketplace. Actually, I think we've kind of covered all the bases right now. We're super excited about our new facility. We're super excited to meet you out there in the marketplace. We're super excited that you came today and are taking a look at our new facility. We're very proud of what we're doing. It's been a long run. We expect to be around for a long time and do some exciting things in the future. We invite you to come back in person when the time is right. And again, just thanks for viewing and thanks for being a part of what we do at MedSource Labs.